Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix ChatGPT not responding problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular ChatGPT. It can be on your app, or you can access it on your particular browser by simply accessing your browsing app according to your device. And once you've accessed, go ahead, type in chatgpt.com and access the official website. Or if you have an app, open the app up. Now if the app ChatGPT is not responding to you, so first thing you can do is refresh your website. This will simply refresh your website and can help you fix it. Another thing is you can simply go ahead, create another tab, and can access as well over there. Or you can simply go ahead, clear the cache file of your particular browsing app and reinstall the app as well. If you have the app installed, then go to App Store and check out whether your app is updated or not. If your app is not updated, it cannot respond to you. That can happen, so simply go ahead and refresh your particular ChatGPT app and you're good to go. Update it and clear out the cache file as well, and you're good to go. That's basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.